Today, Jake and I are out in Bonham, Texas. We're out at Lost Ruby Ranch, which is a goat farm. And since I have a goat in Bean to Bar 6, which is something borrowed, something 90% dark, we thought we would see a local Texas goat farm, since the only one we visited before was in Hawaii, and it was a different kind of goats. These are also still larger goats. The ones I have in the book are pygmies, but you get to see them in a Texas environment. And we're gonna go watch them get milked here in a second.
Some goats that already had horns, so that's why you see some horns there. So the salmons are the solid white ones with ears like this.
Yeah.
And then
He cries when he burns the horn.
they do. I don't know. It comes up to temperature at 923. It hit 145 degrees, and then I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I probably got 7. I used to have this thing in one of the restaurants. And
That is a lot of hay.
they go through one of those.
A week, wow.
Burn the horns off. So
If I don't do a good job, you get on a spur like that.
I burn them off.
So how old are these little ones?
They were
got no
born
food.
in February,
I
March.
got no food. No food. No.
Thanks for following along on our trip to the goat farm. I'll have all the information for this farm's contact info down in the bottom under the description, and I'll see you next time.